In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram add yours option problem. If you're trying to open up any story from your Instagram account and it shows add yours, then here is how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the Instagram application from your phone and then tap on app info. Now once you're here inside the app info, just need to tap on this clear data button at the bottom right and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Now get back from here and then open up the Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, then open up the App Store and then search for Instagram here. And once you've searched with the Instagram, go and tap on this Instagram application, and if you found any pending update, go and tap on this update button and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And right after that, you just need to force close all the application from the background like this and then restart your phone once. And once you have done that, the glitch with the Instagram application will be fixed and your stories will be showing up correctly. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.